the glass layup basket para kay Lindo. Number 26, three-pointer, basket. Amin, Pedregosa, inside pass, nice out, 2 points. In and out, we will manage your number 12, up to this, 2 points. Pedregosa out the move, layup, no good, Pedregosa pa rin, basket. Number 16 on the ball, 16, Mahame. First shot is good. Second shot. Pass to Lindo, corner shot. No good. Rebound, Abid. Abid off the glass. 2 points. Lindo, inside pass. Number 10, fade away. Basket. Number 10, layup. Steal by Lindo, layup. Pinasay Barlasa. To Lindo. Number 24 on the ball. Layup. Basket. Steal. Lindo. Lindo nakalusot. Next pass to Lindo. Pinasakay kay Amay. Full of jumper. No good. Rebound Pedregosa on the glass. 2 points. 2 points para kay Lindes. Raymundo, basket. Off the glass. Maravilla, for 3, basket. Lindo, attack the basket, layup, wala. Rebound pa rin ni Lindo, basket for 2. Top-topper, penetrating, layup. Tapos. Panalo, 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Araño off the glass, 2 points. Technical play, inside pass, Abid. Kumeme, Mira, basket para kay Abid. Ines, bounce pass, number 6, Lindo. Paning yung teammate. Nakita si Suave. Pinasa, for 3, basket.